today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GoDaddy domain authorization code. If you're planning to transfer your domain name from GoDaddy to another registrar, this authorization code, also known as an EPP code, is an essential requirement. It's a critical step in ensuring the security and seamless transfer of your domain. So, let's walk through the process together, step by step, to help you access this information without a hitch. First things first, begin by logging into your GoDaddy account. If you aren't already on the home page, navigate your way there by entering GoDaddy's URL into your web browser. Once you're on the home page, you will notice the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on that, and enter your username and password. If you've forgotten your login credentials, don't worry, there's a Forgot Username or Password link to guide you through the recovery process. After successfully logging in, the next page you'll encounter is the dashboard. This is the main control area for anything related to your domain and other services you have with GoDaddy. Here, you're looking for the My Products section. It's usually one of the most prominent options on this page. Click into My Products, and a list of all the domains associated with your account should appear. Now, within the My Products section, locate the specific domain for which you need the authorization code. Once identified, click on the domain name itself. This action will bring you to the domain settings page. On this page, you'll find a variety of options and details related to your domain. The next step is to scroll down this page until you find a section labeled Additional Settings. It's in this section where you'll find the option for Transfer Domain Away from GoDaddy. Click on this link to proceed. At this point, you'll be directed to a new page, specifically focused on transferring your domain. This page will provide additional details about what transferring involves, but the key element we're here for is the authorization code option. This code acts as a security measure, ensuring that you, as the domain owner, are consenting to this transfer. Look for the link or button titled Get Authorization Code, and click it. Once prompted, confirm that you require the code. Upon confirmation, GoDaddy will typically send the code to the email address associated with your account. Keep an eye on your email inbox for a message from GoDaddy with the subject of domain authorization. Once you receive this, ensure you review any instructions or details included, as they might contain time-sensitive information regarding the code's validity. So there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully retrieved your GoDaddy domain authorization code. With this code in hand, you are ready to initiate the transfer process to a new registrar. Remember to keep this code secure, and only share it with trusted parties, as it is a critical part of your domain's security. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful.